This term we'll be working with some people working online, but most people will be at school. So I thought the best way of making information available is not really through Teams, because you post that in the stream, and then if one class is having it that day, they see it. And if another class is only having that lesson in a week's time, then it disappears down the stream. But to actually put it straight onto your Engage platform. So you log on to Engage, you go to your portal, and you'll see something like this. And you can either go and click on your class, or you go and you click on your homework diary. So if I click on my homework diary, that comes up, and you can see here that you've got a computer skills assignment, which is now due. This is current, next, overdue, handed in, marked, etc. So if I click on that, where it says computer skills, you'll see that there's some lesson information. You need to click on that again just to see that information, and it describes basically what the lesson is all about. And in this bit, I'll basically tell you what you need to do for that particular lesson. So if you're offline, you just go onto your Engage, see what's going to be happening in that lesson. It shows up in your timetable during that slot, so that there's no kind of problems with that. If there are any links, like in this particular lesson, there's a YouTube video to watch, then I put that there. Now, I might be showing this video in the classroom if you're in the classroom, but obviously if you're online, it's probably best if you watch it offline. And then you go down and there's some assignment details. So this is any assignment which needs to be handed in. Now, sometimes there's just lesson information. There's not an assignment. You're not actually producing an assignment for that lesson. This is expected to take about 5 minutes, and it's if I click on that, it'll take me to the lesson information about it, and then it says the task is assignment task 28, Reflections on Women in Computing, and you can see that's available on Teams. So you need to just go into Teams for that. If you click on My Assignment, then here's the status for that. So you can write any notes here about the status. So if you had any problems doing the assignment or whatever it is, just put a note in there and click Save. And when it's marked, so obviously I'll mark it in Teams, but it's pulling through into your worksheet on Engage. And so if you click on there, it's saying that this particular one is unmarked at the moment. I haven't marked this particular person yet. And so it's not showing in Engage yet. The moment that it does, then you'll see the mark attached here. So I think this is quite a useful way. Go on, experiment with it, see how it works, to see what it is that you need to do to see your lesson plans. I'm hoping that more teachers will start putting all their lesson plans on Engage. I think this is quite a useful way of getting that kind of information across to classes that might be face-to-face in the classroom and online. So I'm just going to click on marked there and see what comes up, and it basically takes you straight to that. So just have a look at it, see what it's all about, and you'll notice you can toggle between any assignments and lesson information. So lesson information will tell you what to do, and the assignment, or what's going to happen in that lesson. An assignment will tell you about any particular assignment. For me, for computer skills, I'm going to put the assignments on Teams. There might be one or two where you hand it directly via Engage. I'll have to have a look at that and see if that works at all. Okay, so enjoy this, have fun with it, and please let me know if you come across any problems using it.